Hey friends, I have a question today. How far north is too far north for you in an Austin suburb? Because here in Lariat, in Liberty Hill, I think I may have something that's gonna change your mind on just how far north you're willing to go. Let's take a look. All right, y'all, I told you I was going to test you on how far north is too far north. And the reason why, I am sitting in the loft of the 2-story Reimer floor plan from Tri Pointe Homes here in the community of Lariat in Liberty Hill. This floor plan, so cool, so much bang for your buck. We're talking about 3,100 square feet, prices starting in the low fives. Realistically, you build one of these out, you put in all the upgrades that you would want, you're gonna be somewhere in that high five type of range, maybe creeping up into the low sixes. But when I show you everything you're getting for 3,100 square feet with the optional media room, you're just getting so much value here by being a little bit further north. Now granted, Liberty Hill, this is a little bit of a trek into Austin compared to some of the other communities that you'll see. But if you're not someone who's going into Austin time after time, you're not going in weekly for meetings, that kind of thing, this can be a lot of value. And there's so much that's springing up around Liberty Hill right now. They're getting a new Target here close. I don't know about you, I've never seen a Target go out of business. So you know, when you start to see some of these big infrastructure projects, these big commercial projects coming into town, you know where that is headed. That is headed towards more shopping, more restaurants, more infrastructure in this area. And for home values, that's only ever a good thing. You get more of those niceties that people want to live around, and your home values are expected to rise at that point simply because people will be more willing to live in an area that's a little further out from the Austin city center, but has more to offer in the city itself. And that's what Liberty Hill is going through now. Lariat's kind of on the cutting edge of that. I want you to check this out. Let me know what you think, but I think you're gonna see a ton of value here at the price point. Without further ado, let's check it out. As always, guys, I am JW Raider. I am passionate about a real estate experience that is tailored to you. If you ever have questions, if you have questions about the floor plan I'm in, if you have questions about the market in general, that is what I am here to do, to be your resource, to be your guide through all things real estate here in Austin. So if I can ever be a resource, that is what I would love to do for you. Reach out, drop me a comment below, reach out on my phone, on my email, whatever is easiest for you. Happy to connect in a way that works for you. And once again, without further ado, for real this time, let's check out the Reimer by Tri Pointe Homes. as I was walking through this plan, there was only one thing that I noticed that I really wasn't in love with, which was the way that the primary suite door opened into the doors for the primary bathroom. Just kind of clunky. There's a lot of doors all in one small compact space, but this is what I love about working with quality builders. As you can see behind me, the builder noticed as well, and this was not something that was lost on them. After building the plan a few times, they said, hey, we need to reconfigure this a little bit. And so now the way they build the plan currently, that problem has been addressed. And it just goes to show that if you work with quality builders who continue to try to improve upon what they're already doing, you can end up with a really nice product. Tri Pointe did a great job switching this up just a bit. Okay, friends, there you have it. That is the Reimer from Tri Pointe Homes. I want to know, do you love it? Do you hate it? Does this fit your needs? Let me know what you'd like to check out next time. I'm all over here in the Austin community. Want to show you everything that we have to offer. Let me know below in the comments, what would you like to see next? Is there a community, a floor plan, a builder you'd like to see highlighted? Always happy to do that for you. And as always, if I can be a resource, that's what I'm here for. See you next time.